this naturally takes me to our Imperial Jade collection. Jade, the symbol of absolute power of Chinese emperors and thousands of virtues such as luck, protection and fortune. This superfine merino wool RWS quality is, as you all know, special by its finish, with the jade powder added to the wet stage onto the fabric, giving a unique glow. You will encounter new designing, respecting the elegance and trend of the season. Rich structures effects, sophisticated stripes and checks, as well as matte and shiny effects initiate a real desire of wearing an outstanding suit. Green being our guiding principle, our common thread theme of the collection, as well as Dormeuil's hue.